All right, I was in a pinch yesterday and I had to go get some Bojangles fried chicken. I do not like Bojangles fried chicken. Nothing against people that like it, it's just not my thing. So I just took some of the leftovers, pulled all the skin off, chopped it up, and decided to make some kind of a hash or sauteed dish with it. I went out in the garden, I grabbed a couple of peppers, went in the refrigerator, got some onion, some chickpeas, sauteed all of that in the frying pan, sprinkled a little bit of vegan feta on top of it, chopped up a few avocado slices, seasoned it all with my honey habanero rub that I sell, and now this is what we got. A nice quick dish made with some leftover fried chicken from Bojangles. You can do this with any kind of leftover chicken or any leftover meat. Just chop it up in little pieces and make a little sauteed hash type dish and serve it with some avocado or any other kind of side dish. Oh, I got some tomatoes from the backyard farm too in here. I like to have, I eat tomatoes with everything. So there you have it. Quick and easy dish. Economical in these bad economic times. So there it is. Brew strong and feed well.